How to reset Snapchat Discover feed. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To reset your Snapchat Discover feed, all you need to do is launch your Snapchat application. Make sure to log into your Snapchat if you have not yet. Once you have successfully logged in your top corner, you will see a bit emoji option. You need to tap on it. From here, click on the setting gear icon at the top. In the Snapchat settings, you need to scroll down until you see the option of Clear Cache. You will have to tap on the Clear Cache option and tap on Continue. After which again, you need to head over and check out the option called Clear Search History. Then again, you need to tap on it, then you can clear it up just like before. So you will have to repeat this process again and again so that Snapchat can actually reset the algorithm that actually controls your Discover feed. If you have had recent purchases or recent product, make sure to clear it up as well so that it can reset the algorithm. Once you do all of this, next step that you need to do is press and hold on to it, then head to app info. From here, you need to force stop it, then head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. You can try to clear storage, however, if you have not saved your credential and if you don't know your credential, make sure firstly you save your email address or username and password, then tap on clear storage because this will clear up the credential that you used to log in, which means you will have to log in back to your Snapchat. This will help you to reset your Snapchat Discover feed. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.